Port Royal and Kingston was abuzz with activity as Jamaica welcomed the first cruise line to berth in Port Royal. Prime Minister Andrew Holness and the Member of Parliament for East Kingston, Mr. Philip Paulwell, were among the dignitaries at the terminal. TVJ's Kirk Wright has the details.
A first in recent history, a cruise liner arriving in Port Royal. Head of State Prime Minister Andrew Holness, flanked by other dignitaries, were there to see the first set of visitors disembark.
When we heard that we'd be the first ship into the cruise terminal, we just thought, wow, this is amazing. And when we arrived and we saw the excitement, and we could see the excitement of the people around, that's fantastic. It's a lovely feeling.
The terminal in Port Royal is newly built and bears obvious signs of being incomplete, but the visitors were more focused on what the terminal signifies.
The building's not finished yet, the roof's not finished, but it doesn't matter. It's open for business, and that's what you want. You want to be open for business. So.
The Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett commented on the technology used at the port, which enables the visitors to leave the ship without it having to dock at the side of the port. He says the new terminal is a valuable addition to Jamaica's tourism product.
Because this is a game changer, not just for Port Royal, but for Kingston and for Jamaica's economy.
From Port Royal, the visitors were taken to specific locations, the Bob Marley Culture Yard in Trenchtown included.
Saw where Bob Marley was, obviously he lived in his later life and that, and all the influences he had on the Trenchtown itself. So it was really interesting. Plus we had a reggae band there, very, very good, got all the crowd going. Yeah, it was really good.
Several groups were taken to the Emancipation Park in St. Andrew. Now the visitors, some of whom are coming to Jamaica for the very first time, actually got a taste of the Jamaican culture from the TVJ dance group and the Manchonil cultural group here at Emancipation Park. The Jamaican culture was on show and the entertainers were on point. The visitors soaked up as much as they could in the little time they had.
The culture is fantastic and the people I've met so far are so friendly, so it's a pleasure being here.
I'm interested in the history of Jamaica, slavery, and then the struggle for emancipation, and then finally breaking free from us, because why should we have been in charge?
Oh, I'm looking forward to going to the Blue Mountain Range and tasting your fantastic coffee.
And I asked, who is a first-time visitor, if the first impression will encourage him to return.
Above the other ones, yes. I think so far you're moving in the right direction, definitely. Because obviously with the Port Royal this morning, everyone was out and it was really quite humbling, you know.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.